नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Anika Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Veterinary Medical, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JBW. Today topic is Calcarea carb medicine. Common name carbonate of lime. This great Hahnemann antisoric is a constitutional remedy par excellence. Its chief action is centered in the vegetative sphere, impaired nutrition, being the keynote of its action, the glands, skin, and bones being instrumental in the change wrought, increased local and general perspiration, swelling of glands, scrofulous and rachitic condition generally offer numerous opportunities for the exhibition of calcaria. Incipient thiasis, other medicine arsenic, jod, tuberculinum. It covered the tickling cough, fleeting chest pain, nausea, acidity, and dislike of fat, gets out of breath easily, a jaded state, mental or physical, due to overwork, abscess in deep muscles, polyp and exotis, pituitary and thyroid dysfunction, raised blood coagulability is a definite stimulant to the periosteum. It is a hemostatic and gives this power probably to the gelatin injections, easy relapses, interrupt convalescence. Persons of scrofulous type who take cold easily with increased mucus secretion. Children who grow fat are large bellied with large head, pale skin, chalky look. The so-called leukophlegmatic temperament affections caused by working in water, great sensitiveness to cold, partial sweats. Children crave egg and eat dirt. Other indigestible things are prone to diarrhea. Calcarea patient is fat, fair, flabby and perspiring and cold, damp and sore. Mind symptom apprehensive, worse towards evening, fear, loss of reason, misfortune, contagious disease, forgetful, confused, low spirited, anxiety with palpitation, obstinacy, slight mental effort, produce hot head, hours to work or exertion, sense of weight and on top of head, headache with cold hands and feet, vertigo and ascending and when turning head, headache from overlifting from mental exertion with nausea, head feel hot and heavy with pale face, icy coldness and on the head, especially right side, open frontalens, head enlarged, much perspiration, weights the pillow, itching of scalp, scratches head on waking, sensitive to light, eye symptom, lacrimation in open air and early in morning, spots and ulcer on cornea, lacrimal ducts closed from exposure to cold, easy fatigue of eyes, far-sighted, itching of lids, swollen, scurfy, chronic dilatation of pupils, cataract, dimness of vision as if looking through a mist, lacrimal fistula, scrofulous ophthalmia. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.